Hello, boys and girls. I am Josh at Random, here to bring you Elmer and Butterfly by David McKee. Elmer, the patchwork elephant, was out walking when a shout came from up a tree.
Hello, Elmer.
Is that you, monkey? Elmer called back. No, it's me, laughed Cousin Wilbur from behind a bush. Hello, Wilbur, chuckled Elmer. You are clever with your voice tricks. I'm going for a walk. See you later. Not long after that, another voice called,
Help! Help!
Elmer smiled and said, All right, Wilbur, come on out. The voice called again.
Help! I'm trapped!
Elmer laughed. If that's you, Wilbur. But before he could finish, he saw that it was Butterfly, trapped in a hole behind a fallen branch. Poor Butterfly, said Elmer as he lifted the branch up to release her.
Thank you, Elmer. The branch fell while I was in the hole.
Said Butterfly.
Perhaps one day I'll be able to repay you.
Don't even think about it, Butterfly, said Elmer.
If you do need me, just call my name.
Said Butterfly.
Wherever I am, I shall hear you.
A butterfly saving an elephant. That's a good one, chuckled Elmer as he continued his walk. At that point, a narrow path led off the main run. I've never been here before, he said. This looks interesting. The path suddenly led out of the trees and along a cliff high above the valley below. This is dangerous, said Elmer. The path goes to a cave. I'll go back. Oh dear, going backwards here isn't easy. I'll go to the cave, turn around, and walk back normally. Elmer was nearly there when the path started falling. He rushed into a cave and peeked out. Part of the path had gone. Oh no, there's no way back, he said. Help! He shouted. There was no answer. Help! Elmer called again. Still no answer. We're all too far away, he thought. I'll try Butterfly. Butterfly! Help! He called. He was about to try again when Butterfly arrived. Oh, Butterfly, thank goodness, said Elmer. Now it's me who's trapped in a hole.
Don't worry, Elmer.
Said Butterfly.
I'll get help.
Wilbur was amusing a group of elephants when Butterfly arrived. She quickly told them about Elmer. In no time, the elephants were rushing to the rescue. At the cliff top, the elephants saw how dangerous it was, and most kept away from the edge. Wilbur disappeared back among the trees. One or two elephants carefully peeked over the edge to try and spot Elmer.
I see his trunk,
said one. Wilbur soon came hurrying back, pulling a very long, very strong vine. He threw one end over the edge of the cliff and called down, Grab it, Elmer!
Tie the vine around you and hold on tightly,
said Butterfly.
Don't worry, it will be all right.
Elmer tied the vine firmly and called out, I'm ready!
All right, boy.
The elephants grabbed the vine and pulled. Elmer swung out from the cave and then upwards. Once he was safe, Elmer thanked them all, especially Butterfly. Fancy a butterfly saving an elephant, he said. Then a shout came from the cave. Don't forget me! The elephant stared. Who else is there? Said one. Just Wilbur's voice, laughed Elmer. Let's tickle him. But Wilbur was already running home. The end. Thank you all so much for following along. If you like this and other read-alongs, including Elmer and Pete the Cat, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks and have a safe day.